Desires, and here's another tutorial on how I install our custom lace closure wigs. This hair is from Beautiful Desires, so let's get into it. Her hair is natural. She has all this natural hair, and I love my natural hair clients, so make sure you come with your hair blow dry just like this or straighter if you want to. I'm going to start braiding up her hair, and I want to make sure it's flat enough for her wig install because I don't like wiggy wigs. I don't like bulky wigs. I don't like wigs that I just don't like when it looks like a wig. You want your wig installed to look very natural, so it starts off with proper braiding pattern. So the best way, you can go straight back or you can go straight back with braids on the side, but I feel like those are the best ways. Every time a Beautiful comes in to get their custom wig installed, even if they get a wig from me, they get a stocking cap. And I like to get the stocking cap that matches your skin very well. So like I said, this hair is from Beautiful Desires. This is a custom lace closure wig. The longest inch is an 18 inch and the closure is a 12 inch. As you can see, one side is crimped at the top and the other side isn't. It's a silky straight pattern. Silky straight texture, and I added crimps to it. And this is the ready to ship wig Marlowe. I love this wig. For my client, she wanted an elastic band, and that is what I added into her wig. And as you can see, I did add makeup underneath the wig. So you guys see that she's putting on the wig. This is her first time ever putting on a lace closure wig, and I always do this with my clients because when you get home, I'm not gonna be there, you know? So I want you to feel comfortable putting your wig on and you practicing to put your wig on so when you get home, you don't have any problems. But as you can see, well, as you'll see soon, I will be sewing down this wig because that's just for her preference for right now. So when she doesn't want it sewn on anymore, she can just take it, she can take it off and put it on whenever she wants to. I'm just finding the part so I can make sure when I'm sewing it down, it is sewn down properly and the middle part isn't, you know, weird. And I'm going to start styling after that as well. So let's get into styling her hair. I'm using She Is Bomb wax stick. I love this combination with the hot comb. This gives it a really natural flatness to your wig. It doesn't make it too crunchy or hard. And I like how the shine that it gives off. So like I said, I love that combination because look how nice and splattered it is, and it has that nice luster to it. I'll be doing her edges with the edge control brush and the She Is Bomb glue. I love She Is Bomb collection because one, she's a black owner and she's a woman and she's local in Fort Lauderdale, Hollandale area. And her products are just really amazing. But I didn't get to like record all of the edges, but you can see that one right there. Next time I'll make sure to do better with me recording the edges. So right now I'm going to add in crimps. This is a 3-barrel waver from Hot Tools. I got this off Amazon some years now and it's still good. I might get like another one or I might get some Marshalls, but I like the waves that it creates. But like, look at those waves on Swim because they hate on her, not him, okay? This is a reveal of the baby hairs, and I like, for most of the time, baby hairs that aren't too much to do because some of my clients, they don't know how to do the baby hair, so I just give them something simple to do. And I'm just adding more crimps at the top, and you'll see how the whole look comes about. So right here, I'm just adding a little bit of makeup to her lace closure. You don't want to make it too noticeable because you don't want anybody looking down at her closure and be like, girl, you got makeup in here. It has happened before to me, so I want to make sure it don't happen to nobody else, okay? But we are literally almost done with the styling. Side note, I was so happy to install this wig on her because before she had brought in like some really bad hair and it was for her birthday and like it just looked crazy. So you'll see what she talks about a redeemer because now she has great quality hair and her hair looks so beautiful and it looks so beautiful on her.
You look cute, sis.
I do.
You
Thank
look
you.
cute.
This was the redeemer for last time. This was the redeemer for last. I really like it. Thank you so much. I wish I had lashes on.
What do you mean? Like you don't have any or you want some?
You have some here?
Yeah.
I don't have cash.
Do you want a Zelle?
Yes, I have Zelle.
Thank you all for watching. If you ever want to order a custom wig by Beautiful Desires, please go to the link in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you all in my next video, all right? Bye.